Hello everyone and happy Valentine's Day. I know this is a few days late, but better late than never. I'm just doing a Van Cleef and Arpels unboxing, a little piece that I received from my husband for Valentine's Day with my roses in the background. I also received 100 beautiful roses, which a few days later sadly are coming to demise, but yeah, gotta show these beautiful things off as well. The other ones are in the house. We're actually moving to our villa this week, so that will be great. And don't mind the noise in the background. It's just kids enjoying the sea and pool downstairs. So anyways, this could be one of my last unboxings actually on my beautiful sea view here on the Palm Jumeirah in Dubai. As I will be now moving to my villa. Even though I'll have this place still, I'll probably keep most of my things at the villa. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. It came with this Van Cleef & Arpels authenticity certificate. Okay, so you can see that. I'm not really gonna open it up inside. I'm just gonna tell you that's what it is. There's the box. And any ideas what it could be? I usually get Cartier on Valentine's Day, but I thought why not switch it up? And I thought some of these pieces are quite beautiful. Obviously, I have a daughter, so everything I get will be hers one day. And I do like to try new pieces, especially this one, which was a limited edition piece. So it's a piece of the Alhambra jewelry collection. So this is what it looks like. You've got the boxes, quite nice. And this pearlescent boxing. Very soft here. And let's see, my one-handed boxings you guys love. Isn't that pretty? So gold with diamond. And this is a celestial blue Sèvres porcelain with the round diamond. Sorry guys. Best quality diamonds as well that they use, DEF. IV to VVS, and the piece is limited edition. To be honest, I wanted to collect the entire set of the Malachite, but I want to get the full Alhambra set. So I want to be able to have like numerous motifs on the piece. This is just a simple, I mean, nothing too over the top piece that you could wear. I wouldn't say every day, but I mean, it's definitely not as dressy as some of the other ones. And this piece came around 13,000 dirham. So I'm not sure what that is in dollars. I'm gonna say maybe around 3,000 US dollars, more or less. Someone can calculate that, but that's what it was at the Dubai Mall. And you can't even see actually how beautiful the piece is. I'm trying to go up close, but because of the lighting, it's a bit difficult. But the blue is absolutely stunning. And because I'm actually having a baby boy, I thought how suiting that I take a piece of jewelry that has a little bit of blue and a little bit of diamond sparkle in it, right? That only makes, I think, sense. And of course you have the 18 karat gold, which is the chain and the surrounding pieces. And yeah, I mean, I just think it's actually a beautiful piece. I mean, since it is limited edition, it means they're not gonna have it all the time, but basically it's just unique and timeless elegance, just like they say. And it's interesting because these pieces are inspired by the clover leaf. So obviously everyone knows clovers are simply icons of luck. And with the golden beads here, it's got golden beads on the side. Just something I felt would be lucky when I'm having the baby. I wanted a lucky piece. So I suppose this is it. And my husband actually, he wanted this one. Of course, blue is his favorite color. So, and the porcelain is especially made in France. And yeah, it's just a nice exclusive piece. So why not, guys? And yes, that was my Valentine's. So thank you. If anyone has any comments or questions, please do put them into the comment section. I would love to answer them.